expert visiting committee. This is an Armat Engineering College, Alamuri Ratnamala Institute of Engineering and Technology, run by Kotividya Charitable Trust. We are having a Bachelor of Engineering course, then Master of Engineering course, Diploma in Engineering second shift, and Master of Management Studies, that is Management course PG. Thank you. Good morning everybody. Welcome to Alamuri Ratnamala Institute of Engineering and Technology, Armat College, run by Kotividya Charitable Trust. I welcome expert visiting committee in my campus. We are running degree engineering courses, then diploma engineering courses second shift, master of engineering courses, and master of management studies, that is management PG courses. Thank you.
Start. This is a classroom number, UG classroom number 1/23, engineering and technology. This is the notice board for this classroom. Let us move on to the classroom. So this classroom is equipped with a projector, smart board, and all benches. These are the benches, and all tubes, fans are working. This is a classroom number 2/23. This is the notice board for this classroom, UG classroom, engineering and technology. Let us move on to the classroom. Here is Professor Radha Singh, classroom in charge, and we have smart board and projector facility. This is a UG classroom number 3/23, engineering and technology. This is the notice board. All notices are displayed here. Let us move on to the classroom. Here is Professor Anup Chauhan sir. UG classroom number 4/23, engineering and technology. For this classroom, entire notice board, timetables, everything is displayed. Let us move on to the classroom. This classroom is equipped with a smart board and a projector as well as projector. This is classroom number 5/23 UG, engineering and technology. Entire notice board is displayed here. Timetables, academic calendar, everything is displayed. Let us move on to the classroom. There is Professor Ashutosh Bachav, classroom in charge. This is a classroom number, UG classroom number 6/23, engineering and technology. And notice board for this classroom, all timetables, academic calendar is displayed. Let us move on to the classroom. He is Professor Nitin Mane sir. This is classroom number, UG classroom number 7/23, engineering and technology. For this classroom, academic calendar, timetable, everything is displayed. Let us move on to the classroom. This is Professor Prabhakar sir. This is UG classroom number 8/23, engineering and technology. For this classroom, academic calendar, timetables, all are displayed. Let us move on to the classroom. He is Professor Bhanudas Karamale, classroom in charge. And this classroom is equipped with smart board and a projector facility. This is a UG classroom number 9/23, engineering and technology. For this classroom, academic calendars, timetables, everything is displayed. Let us move on to the classroom. So this classroom is equipped with a smart board, projector facility, all tables, benches. This is a UG classroom number 10/23, engineering and technology. For this classroom, all notice, this is notice board and all notices are displayed, academic calendar, timetable. Let us move on to the classroom. He is Professor Nitin Pawar sir, classroom in charge. And we have this classroom, we have projector smart board facility. This is a UG classroom number 11/23, engineering and technology. So for this classroom, all notices are displayed, academic calendar, timetable, everything is displayed. Let us move on to the classroom. This is a UG classroom number 12/23, engineering and technology. For this classroom, all notice boards are displayed here. Timetable, everything, academic calendar, everything is displayed. Let us move on to the classroom. So this classroom is equipped with the smart board, projector, everything is there. And all. This is UG classroom number 13/23, engineering and technology. For this classroom, this is the notice board. All academic calendar, timetable, everything is displayed here. Let us move on to the classroom. This classroom is equipped with a smart board, projector, and all tables. This is a UG classroom number 14/23, engineering and technology. For this classroom, This is the notice board, academic calendar, timetable, everything is displayed. Let us move on to the classroom. She is the Professor Sonali Vidati Madam. Classroom. This is a UG classroom number 15 by 23, Engineering and Technology. For this classroom, this is the notice board, academic calendar, timetable, everything is displayed. Let us move on to the classroom. This is Professor Munish Pal sir, classroom in charge, and we have facility of smart board, projector facility. This is UG classroom number 16 by 23, Engineering and Technology. This is the notice board, academic calendar, timetables, everything is displayed. Let us move on to the classroom. Sir, Professor Ashish Dwivedi sir, classroom in charge for this classroom. Hey, अंदर है?
गोविंद सर, आप यहाँ पे रहो। आप यहाँ पे खड़े रहो, बस हो गया।
This is UG classroom number 17 by 23, Engineering and Technology. This is the notice board, academic calendar, timetable, everything is displayed. Let us move on to the classroom. Classroom number 18 by 23. This is UG classroom number 18 by 23, Engineering and Technology. For this classroom, this is the notice board, academic calendar, timetables are displayed. This is UG classroom number 19 by 23. For this classroom, notice board is there, and academic calendar, timetables, everything is displayed. Let us move on to the classroom. This is Professor Rahmani Naveed Akhtar. This classroom is equipped with tables, benches, whiteboard. This is a UG classroom number 20 by 23, Engineering and Technology. This is the notice board for this classroom, academic calendar, timetables, everything is displayed. Let us move on to the classroom. Dr. Amresh Kumar sir, classroom in charge. This classroom is equipped with projector, smartboard facility. This is a UG classroom number 21 by 23, Engineering and Technology. This classroom, this is the notice board for this classroom. Timetable, everything is displayed. Let us move on to the classroom. Professor Veladre sir, classroom in charge. And this classroom is equipped with projector, smartboard, and tables, benches. This is a UG classroom number 22 by 23, Engineering and Technology. This is the notice board for this classroom. Academic calendar, timetables are displayed. Let us move on to the classroom. Professor Anand Babu, classroom in charge of this classroom. This classroom is equipped with a smart board, projector, and all benches, fans, tubes, all are working. We have locker facility also for students. Thank you so much. This is a UG classroom number 23 by 23, Engineering and Technology. For this classroom, notice board and academic calendar, timetables are displayed here. Let us move on to the classroom. Professor Jakir sir, classroom in charge. This classroom is equipped with projector, smart board, tables, benches, and tube lights, fans, all are in proper condition. We have locker facility also for students. Thank you so much. This is a UG tutorial room number 1 out of 6. This is the notice board for tutorial room. Let us move on to the tutorial room. This is a UG tutorial number 2 by 6. Let us move on to the tutorial room. Have you look at the tutorial room? In this, we basically conduct tutorials for undergraduate students. Thank you.
This is Engineering and Technology tutorial room 3 out of 6, and this is the tutorial room. Let's have a look. This is tutorial room number 4 by 6 under Engineering and Technology undergraduate. Let's have a look of tutorial room. All the smart board projectors are running, all furnitures are in good condition. This is tutorial room number 5 out of 6, Engineering and Technology undergraduate. Let's have an inside look of tutorial room. This is tutorial number 6/6 in Engineering and Technology undergraduate. This is a seminar hall 1 out of 1 under Engineering and Technology undergraduate. Let's have an inside look of seminar hall. This is a additional workshop 1/1 in Engineering and Technology undergraduate course. Let's have seen inside. This is a drawing hall 1 out of 1 in Engineering and Technology undergraduate. Let's have an inside look of drawing hall.
Okay, this is the workshop.
This is a UG laboratory number 1 under engineering and technology. This lab is engineering mechanics lab, which is under first year engineering. Professor Nitin Pawar sir, he is the lab in charge. Lab timetable, academic calendar, everything is displayed here. Let us have a look at the entire lab. So here we are going to perform experiments basically related to engineering mechanics. This is a UG laboratory number 2/42. So under engineering technology, this lab is under first year basic electrical engineering lab. Let us have a look into this. So she is Professor Pritika Patil, lab in charge of BW lab, and all notice boards, timetables, everything is displayed here. Let us have a round of the lab. Let us have a look at. So in this lab, basically we are going to perform experiments in the first year basic electrical engineering subject. Thank you so much. This is a UG laboratory number 3/42 under engineering and technology. This lab is physics lab, which is used in first year engineering department. Let us have a look at the lab. Professor Banudas Karamale, lab in charge, physics lab in charge. Let us have a look at the lab. Notice boards, academic calendars, everything is displayed here. Timetables, lab timetables. Thank you. This is a UG laboratory number 4/42, engineering and technology. And this lab is applied chemistry lab, which is under first year department. He is Professor Kiran Tatar sir, in charge of chemistry lab. Let us have a look at entire lab. Notice board, academic calendar, and all the list of experiments, everything is displayed here. Thank you so much. This is a UG laboratory number 5/42, engineering and technology. This lab is electrical machine lab, which comes under electrical engineering department. Let us move on to the lab. Professor Anandababu Dondapati, he is the lab in charge of this electrical machines lab. Let us have a look at all the equipment. Basically, we perform experiments on DC machines in this lab. DC machines, DC motor and DC generator. This is a UG laboratory number 6/42, Engineering and Technology, Electrical Machines 2 lab. This lab comes under Electrical Engineering department. Let us have a look. Professor Suresh Ikrela sir, he is the lab in charge. Let us have a look at the entire lab. So in this lab, basically we perform experiments on AC machines, induction machines, alternators. Thank you so much. This is UG laboratory number 7/42, Power Electronics lab. Power Electronics lab. This lab comes under Electrical Engineering department. Let us have a look at the lab. Professor Kritika Patil madam, lab in charge. Here we are basically going to perform experiments related to power electronics and protection. And we can see the costing and academic calendars, notice boards, costing, lab timetables are displayed. Thank you so much. This is a UG laboratory number 8/42, Engineering Technology lab. This lab is called a Software Engineering lab, which is under Computer Engineering branch. Let us move on to the lab. Let us move on to the lab. This is the lab. This is the lab. This is the notice board, academic calendar. Timetables are displayed. Let us have a look at this lab. Shailesh sir. Dr. Shailesh Kumar, lab in charge of this software engineering lab. Thank you. This is UG laboratory number 9/42, Engineering and Technology. This is the operating system lab. Let us move on to the lab. Professor Tejaswini, she is the lab in charge, and all notice boards are displayed with timetables and academic calendar. Let us have a look at entire lab. Thank you so much. UG laboratory number 10/42, Engineering and Technology. This lab is a network security lab, which comes under Information Technology department. Let us have a look at the lab. Let us move on to the lab. Professor Vaibhav Dage sir, lab in charge of networks security lab. Notice board is displayed. Academic calendar, all lab timetables, costing, everything is displayed. And let us have a look at the lab. Thank you so much. This is a laboratory number 11/42, UG lab, Engineering and Technology. Open source technology lab. This is open source technology lab. Professor Miss Neeta, lab in charge. Let us have a look at this lab. Notice board, academic calendar, lab timetables are displayed here. Let us have a look at this lab. Thank you. This lab is UG laboratory number 12/42, Engineering and Technology. This lab comes under Information Technology branch, Structured Query Lab, SQL lab. Let us move on to the lab. So all notice board, academic calendar, all timetables are displayed. So once let us have a look at this lab. Professor Ashish Dwivedi, lab in charge of SQL lab. This is lab number UG laboratory number 13/42, Engineering and Technology, Internet of Things lab. Let us move on to the lab. This is the notice board displayed, academic calendar, timetable, all are displayed. Professor Sonali Vidyarthi, lab in charge of IoT lab. Let us have a look at all the equipment. Thank you so much. This is UG laboratory number 14 by 42. This is data structures lab, which comes under information technology. Let us move on to the lab. Notice board is displayed here, timetables. Let us have a look at lab. Professor Shagun Tiwari, lab in charge. This is a UG laboratory number 15 by 42, electrical simulation lab, which comes under electrical department. Electrical simulation one, which comes under electrical department. Dr. Amresh Kumar sir, lab in charge of simulation one lab. Let us have a look at all the pieces. The notice board is displayed here along with the costing, academic calendar, timetable, everything is displayed. Basically we perform all the experiments related to software like MATLAB, PSpice, Python, programming. Thank you so much. This is a UG laboratory number 16 by 42. This is a control system lab, which comes under electrical engineering department. Let us move on to this lab. Professor Govind Kedar sir, lab in charge of control system lab. Let us have a look at all the equipment. Here basically we perform experiments related to control systems and electrical measurements in this lab. Notice board is displayed here along with all the costing, academic calendar and the timetable. Thank you so much. This is a UG laboratory number 17 by 42, engineering and technology, electrical simulation 2 lab, which comes under electrical engineering department. So Dr. Swati Jope madam, lab in charge of electrical simulation 2 lab. All notice board is displayed along with the timetable, costing of the lab and academic calendar. Let us have a look at entire lab. In this lab basically we perform experiments related to software based experiments using MATLAB, Scilab, PSpice, Python, etc. Thank you so much. This is a UG laboratory number 18 by 42. This lab is a OOP lab, Object Oriented Programming Lab, comes under Computer Science Engineering, AML branch. Let us move on to the lab. Professor Subhajit Datta sir, lab in charge of OOP lab. Notice board is displayed, academic calendar and timetables are displayed here properly. And so let us have a look at the entire lab. This is also AML lab. This is UG laboratory number 19 by 42, engineering and technology. This lab is Python lab, which comes under Computer Science Engineering branch, AIML branch. Okay, this is Python lab. Lab in charge, Professor Roshni Rajput is the lab in charge. Let us have a look at entire lab. This is a UG laboratory number 20 by 42. This is web technology lab. This lab comes under computer engineering branch. Professor Harshada Shelke, lab in charge. Let us have a look at the entire lab. This is a UG laboratory number 21 by 42, engineering and technology. This is a DevOps lab, which comes under computer engineering branch. Let us have a look inside the lab. Professor Priyanka Deshpani madam, lab in charge. Let us have a look at the entire equipment. This is a UG laboratory number 22 by 42. This is a communication lab, which comes under electronics and telecommunication engineering department. Let us move on to the lab. Professor Surabhi Sawant madam, lab in charge of communication lab. Let us have a look at all the equipment. UG laboratory number 23 by 42, analog and digital lab, which comes under electronics and telecommunication engineering department. Let us move on to the lab. This is the lab, analog and digital lab. Professor Swapna Sonavane madam, lab in charge of analog and digital. This is UG laboratory number 24 by 42, engineering and technology. This is microwave and antenna lab, which comes under electronics and telecommunication engineering branch. Let us move on to the lab. Notice board is displayed along with all the necessary documents. This is UG laboratory number 25 by 42. This is a microprocessor lab, which comes under electronics and telecommunication engineering branch. Let us move on to the lab. Professor Vaishali Bagde madam, lab in charge of microprocessor lab. UG laboratory number 26 by 42, engineering and technology. This lab is electronic devices and circuits lab, which comes under electronics and telecommunication engineering department. Let us move on to the lab. Professor Shahjahan Sheikh sir, he is the lab in charge. The UG laboratory number 27 by 42, control and instrumentation lab. This comes under electronics and telecommunication engineering branch. Let us move on to the lab. Professor Gayatri Karat, lab in charge of control instrumentation.
This is lab number 28, which is mechanics of solid lab, which comes under civil engineering department. This is universal testing machine. Next, this one. This is CTM, compressor testing machine. This is torsion testing machine. Next is impact testing machine. This is hardness. This is lab number 29, which comes under civil engineering department. This is transportation lab. This is lab number 30, which is fluid mechanics lab. It comes under civil engineering department. Here is Mr. Professor Avinav Pankar. He is the lab in charge of this FM lab. This is lab number 31, which is applied hydraulics lab, and it comes from the civil engineering department. He is Mr. Professor Vikas Gore sir, who is the lab in charge of this lab. This is lab number 32, which is civil CAD/CAM lab, and here is Mr. Professor Prashant Pawakar, who is the lab in charge. These are the systems having AutoCAD software. This is lab number 33, which is building materials and construction technology lab. This is Mr. Salim Kumar Sharma, who is the lab in charge of this lab.
Okay, this is lab number 34, CAD/CAM lab. It's come under mechanical department. Yeah, 22 pieces there in CAD/CAM lab with 3D printing machines. This is the in charge of Neeraj Gupta sir, Professor Neeraj Gupta sir.
This is lab number 35, which is environmental engineering lab. It comes under civil engineering department. Says Professor Prachi ma'am.
Okay, this is lab number 36 and measurement and automation lab. These are the equipment related to measurements. He is the professor of Manoj Chaudhary sir, lab in charge. And this one is also measurement, lab related practicals.
This is lab number 27, which is geotechnical lab. It also comes under civil engineering department. Here is Mr. Praveen Kumar Mandal, who is the lab in charge of this lab.
Okay, this is lab, heat ventilation and air condition lab. Lab number 38. These are the equipment of RAC related, and she is the professor Munali Yadav. She is the lab in charge of this lab. All equipment are in running condition. Okay, this is the lab number 39, kinematic of machines.
This is lab number 40, which is surveying lab. It also comes under the civil engineering department. These are the tripod stands for fluid line, dumpy levels, auto levels and all. This is the tripod stand for the compass. These are the leveling staff, running rods. These all are the dumpy levels, auto levels and the theodolites.
Okay, this is the lab number 41. It's come under mechanical department. Lab name is dynamics of machines. Okay, these are the equipment related to the dynamics of machines.
This is lab number 42, which is engineering geology lab. It comes under civil engineering department. There is Dr. Mahesh sir, who is the lab in charge of this lab.
This is English rock samples.
This is a classroom number 1 by 5, 1 out of 5. This is PG classroom, postgraduate classroom, which can be used by mechanical engineering department. Let us move on to the classroom. Let us have a look at the classroom. Dr. Bhanudata Pulla is in charge of this classroom. This is PG classroom number 2 out of 3. Postgraduate classroom. This also can be used by mechanical engineering department. Let us move on to the classroom. So let us have a look at the classroom. PG classroom number 3 out of 5. This is the third classroom, which is used by computer science engineering department. Let us move on to the classroom. So Dr. Shailesh Nandagaonkar is in charge of this classroom. This is a PG classroom number 4 out of 5. Let us look at this classroom. Notice board is displayed, timetable, all necessary documents are displayed. Let us move on to the classroom. Professor Vivek Pandey sir, in charge of this classroom. PG classroom number of 5 out of 5. This can be used for electronics telecommunication engineering department. Notice board, all necessary documents are displayed here. Let us move on to the lab. Professor Surabhi Sawant, madam, in charge of this classroom. Let us have a look at the entire classroom.
Department of Computer Engineering, PG lab number 1. The lab name is Algorithm Analysis and Algorithm Lab. Here, this is the area of the lab, which comes in the under norms. This is the notice board. This is the notice board. All necessary documents are pasted here. We are conducting the PG labs here.
Okay, this is lab post graduation student ME and mechanical lab number 01 for ME student. This is lab for post graduation student lab number 02.
This is lab number 01 for post graduation, which is come under EXTC department.
This is a PG MMS classroom number 1 for postgraduate studies, management studies. classroom number 1. This is the notice board for this classroom. Academic calendar, timetables are displayed. Then let us move on to the classroom. This classroom is equipped with projector, smart board, everything is there. All benches, tubes, fans, and are all proper condition. We have locker facility also. I am the professor. This is a PG classroom, Master of Management Studies, classroom number 2/4. For this classroom, notice board is there. Notice board is there. Let us move on to the classroom. Professor Jitendra Singh, classroom in charge, and this classroom is equipped with smart board and whiteboard and all benches, fans, tubes, all are in proper condition. Thank you so much. This is a PG classroom, Management of Studies, classroom number 3/4. For this classroom, notice board is displayed here, academic calendar. Let us move on to the classroom. Professor Ritika Samant madam, so classroom in charge. This classroom is equipped with whiteboard and benches, all benches, fans, tubes, all are in proper condition. We have locker facility also for students. Thank you so much. This is a PG classroom, Management of Studies, Master of Management Studies, classroom number 4/4. And let us move on to the classroom. Professor Bhumi Ahuja, classroom in charge. This classroom is equipped with a smart board, projector, all benches, fans, tubes, all are properly equipped here. We have locker facility also for students. Thank you so much. This is a Master of Management Studies, MMS, tutorial room. This is the tutorial room for MMS. Let us move on to the tutorial room. Thank you. This is a Master of Management Studies, PG, seminar hall. Let us move on to the seminar hall. Professor Agrawal sir, in charge of this seminar hall. Let us have a look of entire hall. This is a computer center number 1/3, engineering and technology. Let us move on to the lab. This is the computer center lab. Professor Veladre sir, in charge of this computer center. So this is the notice board where all the necessary documents are displayed. Let us have a look at the entire lab. This lab area is as per the under norms. Computer center 2/3, computer center number 2/3, engineering and technology. Let us move on to the lab. Notice boards, everything, all necessary documents are displayed here. Professor Mayank Mangal sir is in charge of this computer center. Let us have a look at the entire lab. So this lab area is as per the AICT norms. Thank you so much. Center number 3/3, engineering and technology. This is a college central library. College campus and central library. This is the reading section for this students to read daily newspapers. Students can be able to read their daily newspapers. Let us move on to the reading room. This is the reading room where the students can sit and they spend their valuable time by reading. This is the library. Mr. Hemant Maruti Kodve sir, librarian. These are the accession registers of the students.
Accession register.
टोटल बुक्स है 32,759 बुक्स है टोटल अभी.
Let us move on to digital. Let us move on to digital. Let us move on to digital library. Professor Mr. Hemant Andade. This is a section where the students able to access all the online journals, publications, national, international journals. This is the area where students can be able to access all online journals, e-books, national, international journals. So library uses Koha software. And we use this type of Kindles also for student purpose, for reading the books. These are the Kindles. This is the book processing section where the new books, entry, stamping, everything will be done here. This is a book processing room. This is a book bank section for issuing books to the category students. This is the book bank section. So the total area of the library is 650 square meters. Total altogether the total area of the library is 650 square meters.
This is language laboratory. This is language laboratory under engineering and technology UG graduate. Let's have a look inside of laboratory.
Click on that one. So after clicking, what will come? The student's name as well as the student's seat number also will come, right? So after that, you put your student name, or else you can put the seat number also. If it is 5 there, you can put 5. If it is 2 is there, you can put 2. Okay. So after putting that one, so there is network status is there. So below that one, you can see that the network status is there now.
That is 33 square meter.
This is the boardroom of the college. So here, basically, principal is going to take some meetings, whatever necessary meetings he will take. This is a HOD department cabin. This engineering and technology and the information technology branch. Let us move on to this HOD cabin of IT department. Professor Mayank Mangal, head of the department, IT information technology branch.
Electrical department, and this is HOD cabin. So we'll come in. See, this is Mr. Professor Jayarajesh Patel, the HOD of electrical department. You can see all the valuable informations, like the notice board is here.
The department electronics and telecommunication cabin. This is our HOD, sir, Professor Jayarajesh Vattam. All the documents are displayed on the notice board, important documents.
This is Department of Computer Engineering, HOD cabin. Let us move on to the cabin. Professor Ankit Sangvi sir, head of the department, Computer Engineering.
This is a HOD cabin of Civil Engineering Department degree. This cabin is under Engineering and Technology undergraduate. Let's have a look inside. This is a HOD cabin of Mechanical Engineering Department under Engineering and Technology undergraduate. Let's have a look inside. This is a central store room in Engineering and Technology undergraduate. Now let's have a look inside. Hey, Maya. This is a exam control office under Engineering and Technology undergraduate course. Now let's have a look inside. A housekeeping room under a Engineering and Technology undergraduate course. Let's have a look inside. This is a maintenance room in Engineering and Technology undergraduate course. Let's have a look inside. This is office all inclusive under Engineering and Technology undergraduate course. Let us see inside. This is cabin of registrar, sir. Account section. Scholarship and establishment section. Of account section, all academic calendar notice are displayed here. Locker room. Zoom करा. लॉक करा त्याला. With a fingerprint security access. बंद करा त्याला. This is a principal cabin of Diploma Engineering. Let us see inside. This is a Vice Principal and Dean Academic cabin in Engineering and Technology undergraduate course. This is a placement office in Engineering and Technology undergraduate. Let's look of notice board. And now we have moving inside for a small look.
Good afternoon, sir. I am Dr. Lavendra S. Bothra, Principal of Armed Engineering College, and this is our principal cabin.
In Engineering and Technology undergraduate, let's have a look inside.
This area is the boys' common room of this college. This is boys' common room. Let us move on to the common room. All facilities are given to the students of the college. Canteen section. So let us move on to this cafeteria.
Yes, you.
Canteen is provided with all cooking utensils, necessary equipment. All things are properly maintained here. Let us move on to the section. This is the sitting area for the students as well as staff. College first aid cum medical center. Medical center. This is the wheelchair. Let us move on to the medical center.
We are with a girls' common room in our campus. The facility provided to girl students with a sitting arrangement, readings and all the facilities are provided here. The lockers are provided to every student over here. And in this area, we are giving them the sanitary pad available for all the girl students whoever needed.
A reprography section under engineering and technology undergraduate. This is classroom number 2/10 in diploma engineering. This is the notice board. Classroom number 3/10 diploma engineering. This is the notice board of classroom number 3. This is classroom number 4/10 in diploma engineering. This is the notice board of classroom number 4. Classroom number 5/10 in diploma engineering. Here the notice board is display of classroom number 5 with academic calendar, student list, timetable and respective documents. This is classroom number 6/10 in diploma engineering. Classroom number 7/10 diploma engineering. The notice board of this classroom is displayed here. This is classroom number 8/10 diploma engineering. This is classroom number 9/10 in diploma engineering. This is classroom number 10/10 in diploma engineering. This is diploma engineering tutorial room number 1 out of 3. This is diploma engineering tutorial room number 2 out of 3. This is diploma engineering tutorial room number 3 out of 3. This is additional workshop 1/1 in engineering and technology undergraduate course. Let's have seen inside. This is a drawing hall in engineering and technology undergraduate course. Let us have seen inside.
Come here. This is the additional workshop. Diploma pupils are used and diploma students are used in workshop.
This is diploma engineering lab 2/18. Diploma engineering lab 3/18. This is diploma engineering lab 4/18. A ramp stair for handicapped people under engineering and technology undergraduate. Let's have a look total.